Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Alright, in this channel we simplify Forex trading strategies and help you become a more confident trader. Alright, so in this particular video we are going to be diving into a game-changing strategy called the lazy greed trading. Right, sounds funny, right? So we're going to be discussing the lazy greed trading. Now, simply put, the lazy greed trading strategy is, a straightforward strategy though. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by complex charts or spent hours micromanaging trades, then this strategy might be the perfect fit for you. So what exactly is lazy greed trading? It is a straightforward hands-off method of trading that relies on setting up a grid of trades at predefined price levels. The idea is to let the market's natural movements work in your favor without constantly watching the charts. So let us break this down into 3 steps. Okay, 3 simple steps. So that you can understand how it works and get started. Trust me, you don't need to be a Forex pro to master this. All right. So first of all, let's talk about the grid itself. In lazy greed trading, you divide the price range of a currency pair into equal halves. Okay. For example, this is the XAU USD currency pair. All right. And let us assume that, or let us even work practically with where the price is at the moment. So now within the past week, right? Within the past week, we've had gold trading between here and here. All right. So you can create a grid with intervals, probably every 20 pips, every 30 pips, every 50 pips, depending on the time frame you are trading on, right? Depending on the time frame. So let us say if we are creating a grid every 100 pips, because this is gold. Remember, gold is a volatile pair, and this is also the 1 hour time frame. So if we were to create a grid this is the current price, right? 26.24. So 100 is going to be 26.14, right? This is a buy limit, and 26.04 is another buy limit, and then 26.94 is another buy limit, and then 26.84 is another buy limit. So having identified the direction of the trend, and if we go to higher time frame, we will notice that gold is still in an overall bullish trend, right? It's still in an overall bullish trend. We can even use a higher time frame indicator to confirm that. So this is the 200 EMA. We can confirm that gold is still in a bullish trend. So this strategy enables you to take advantage of the natural movements of the markets. And you can see I use the small lot size to open multiple positions. You can keep going, depending on if the price continues to dip, with the expectation that the bullish trend is going to continue. But let us go into more detail. All right. So these intervals that we are setting pending orders at, they serve as you can think of them as checkpoints where checkpoints for your orders, right? These are set up in advance, so there's no need to constantly adjust them. Pretty simple, right? So now here is where the magic happens. For each level in your grid, you will even take a step further, all right? For each level you're going to take a step further and place two types of orders, all right? So you have to set buy limits below current market price and sell limits above current market price. Okay, so you are trying to, in case of if an upward movement happens, right, you would still enter some trades. And because price does not move in a straight line, as we can see, price does not move in a straight line. So if your sell orders get triggered, then you will expect price to later pull back, at least even if it's a pullback. So let us set some sell limits above. This is 63, and then 100 pips is going to be 73, right? 73, and then 83, and then 93, and so on. Okay, so this way, as the market moves up and down, your orders get triggered automatically. It's a great way to stay active in the market without needing to monitor every tick. And if you are using a platform that supports automation, setting this up is even easier. All right. Now, risk management is key. Make sure each trade in your grid has a stop loss and take profits level. Okay, this helps you to protect your capital and lock in gains. Lazy grid trading works best when you are disciplined about risk. Remember, the goal is not to overcomplicate things. Set realistic parameters and let the strategy do its job. Okay, no need to chase the market. All right, so for our take profits and our stop losses, remember, please make use of support and resistance zones as well. Okay, because those are going to give you insight as to where to set your potential stop losses and take profits. All right, so now for all these our buy limits, right, we can use our stop loss as this low, below this low, because if this bullish move we have to continue, price is not supposed to drop below this low. So our stop losses will be below this low. Then our take profits can be at, because we are expecting the bullish move to continue, right? So our take profit can be at this resistance point. All right. So we can actually open more buy limits, maybe up to this point. And then our take profit can be at this resistance point. Then for our sell, if this sell were to prevail, the price shouldn't climb above this high. So we can use, or even above this high, so we can use this high as a stop loss reference above here. And then for our take profit, we can use this for our take profit. Because if this sell is to prevail, we should have price come back to this point. So that is going to be that for our stop loss and take profits for each of these pending orders. All right. Now, there are some benefits of lazy grid trading. All right. One is minimal time commitment. Okay, and it works in both trending and ranging markets, and it also reduces emotional trading. So these are three benefits. Minimal time commitment, works in both trending and ranging markets, and it reduces emotional trading. All right. I personally love this strategy because it takes the pressure off. You know, you're not glued to the screen, you know, second guessing every move and all of that. Okay. Plus, it's adaptable. You can use it for a variety of currency pairs and market conditions. Now, before you jump into lazy grid trading, make sure to test it out on a demo account. This will help you fine-tune your grid setup and risk levels without risking real money. And if you're new to Forex, don't worry. This strategy is beginner-friendly and a great way to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your favorite Forex strategy? Or let me know if you have questions about lazy grid trading. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.